India may soon get its first COVID vaccine in the market as Serum Institute of India entered into the phase 3 of clinical trial of the Covishield vaccine. The institute has also signed a contract with AstraZeneca to manufacture its vaccine. So let's take a look at this special report.
India's COVID tally has crossed 3 million mark. But amid the sharp spike in numbers, there is a ray of hope. India is most likely just months away from an effective vaccine against the pandemic. A top official at the Serum Institute of India has revealed to Business Today it can make its much-awaited Covishield vaccine commercially available in 73 days. The official said it will be possible as the government has given the company priority manufacturing license, fast-tracking the trial protocol to finish it in 58 days.
As far as the Serum Institute is concerned, it's going to be possibly ready in 73 days from yesterday and will be ready to produce about 6 crore doses per month starting December, January, and then going up to about 10 crore doses per month from April onwards. Government has asked them to provide something like 68 crore doses from just Serum Institute, and the rest will be probably procured from the other 2 vaccine candidates which are by Bharat Biotech and by Zydus Cadila, which are under development.
हम काफ़ी तेज़ी से सफलता की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं. जो क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स में हमारे वैक्सीन कैंडिडेट्स पहुंच गए हैं. एक वैक्सीन कैंडिडेट जो है वो क्लिनिकल ट्रायल के 3rd फेज़ में पहुंच गया है. और हमें, जैसा मैंने कहा, कि इस साल के अंदर अंदर ही हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि हमें सारे ट्रायल्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद एक इफेक्टिव वैक्सीन देश की और दुनिया की जनता को बचाने के लिए उपलब्ध होगी.
World's largest vaccine maker, Serum Institute, is conducting advanced clinical trials of Covishield vaccine, developed jointly by Oxford University and AstraZeneca. It involves 1,600 volunteers across 17 centers in the country. The vaccine maker later appeared more cautious and issued a partial denial. Calling the report misleading, it added it has got government nod to make and stockpile the vaccine, hinting that it will be up to the government to decide on mass use of the vaccine. The Modi government has already sought 68 crore doses from Serum by June next year and has decided to provide vaccination to all Indians for free.
भारत में एक नहीं, 2 नहीं, 3 वैक्सीन उसके टेस्टिंग के अलग अलग चरण में है. वैज्ञानिकों से जब हरी झंडी मिल जाएगी, बड़े पैमाने पर प्रोडक्शन होगा और उसकी तैयारियां भी पूरी तरह रेडी हैं. और तेजी से प्रोडक्शन के साथ वैक्सीन हर भारतीय तक कम से कम समय में कैसे पहुंचे, उसका खाका भी तैयार है, उसका रूपरेखा भी तैयार है.
Oxford Jenner Institute, that is in its 3rd phase of trial that happened in the UK, taken to Brazil, South Africa, and now in India, where they have exclusive manufacturing contract with Serum Institute that tells us and comes up with brilliant news that these vaccines are just about a few days, or rather a few months away, and the days can be counted. There cannot be a better news than that for the world that has been on a hold thanks to COVID-19. Lavina Tandon for India Today from London.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.